Let's begin our sentence study. So please find your copy of the Mean Gene sentence in your Reader's Workshop binder. Once you have located it, we're going to identify the nouns in this sentence. If you remember from last week, we learned that nouns are either people, things, or places. So we're going to look at this sentence. We're going to read it together, and then we're going to identify the nouns, all right? So the sentence says, Mean Gene wanted to be the boss. Now we're going to look at this and try and determine which words are nouns. And we're going to circle the words that are nouns with a blue crayon or marker, okay? So, Mean Gene is a noun. We're going to circle this. This is someone, okay? This is a proper noun, and we'll learn about that later on. But Mean Gene, that's the name of the girl. She is a person. It is a noun. Wanted, that's what she's doing in the sentence. It's not a person, place, or thing. To be the, none of these are nouns. Boss, that's a person. That is a noun. So I need to circle Mean Gene, and boss. Okay, now what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to rewrite the sentence right below it. You're just going to copy it. Okay, so you're going to write the words Mean Gene wanted to be the boss. And I'm going to remember my rules for writing a sentence, or COPS, which is capitalization. Did I capitalize the correct words? Yes. Mean and Gene are both capitalized. Okay, do I have my punctuation? Yes, I have a period at the end of my sentence, just like they do. And then I have the words all spelled correctly. And so I'm going to now color the picture of Mean Gene. After you've done that, you can go ahead and put your paper back in your Reader's Workshop binder, and you're done with your sentence study.